If done properly, affiliate networks should be able to boost your e-commerce sales by around 10%, so they're a big opportunity for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Also, they're mainly commission-based, so very low risk. If you haven't set up an affiliate scheme yet, you're leaving money on the table. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing lets an online retailer, known as the advertiser, increase sales by allowing others, which target the same audience, known as affiliate or publishers, to earn a commission by recommending products. The publisher promotes products using a unique link. They get paid a commission when a visitor to their site clicks on the link, for example, a banner, a logo, or a text link, goes to the advertiser's website and performs a particular action. Usually this is the completion of a transaction, such as when buying a product or subscribing to a service. Now let's look at this in action. An example of someone using an affiliate scheme is this productivity guru, Ali Abdaal. On his site, he gives links to the various products he uses, for example, cameras. If we go to Tools and Tech, and then we go to My YouTube Studio, he has a list of all the stuff he uses. Now, if we click on Buy, it takes us to the Amazon site. And if we look in the URL at the top, we can see this is an affiliate link. So this one here, this bit at the end of tag, that is his affiliate link. So if we go and buy something on the Amazon site now, having gone to the site from that link, Ali Abdaal will get a commission. So this affiliate scheme is known as the Amazon Associates Program. And if we go to their site, we can see what the commission schedule is. And down here it says that they earn 10% up to £15,000, and over that they get 12%. So it's a fairly generous commission. So what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a massive opportunity for all e-commerce businesses. Affiliate marketing is responsible for driving up to 16% of all e-commerce sales in the USA. And from my own experience, we have clients where it drives between 10 and 20%. Affiliate marketing drives targeted traffic. Whatever your product, there will be publishers focused on your niche. Sites such as review sites and blogs can send targeted traffic to your products. For example, to monetize their content, a pram review site might have affiliate link to pram retailers. Secondly, pay on results. Affiliate marketing is a performance marketing channel where payment is on completion of sales only. This model makes affiliate marketing a low-risk channel which is attractive to merchants. Of course, some affiliates want to be paid for impressions, but this is much less favourable for the advertiser as it does not directly relate to sales. Of course, publishers may offer the opportunity to promote products at additional cost. Whilst many affiliate networks are free to use, some may charge a monthly subscription. So a typical charge might be something like you'll pay 10% to the advertiser, and the affiliate network will take a cut, which will be another 30% on top of that, and they may charge a monthly subscription fee of $50 or so. When you advertise in an affiliate network, you own the customer. Unlike some channels, for example online marketplaces, the merchant can invite people to opt into marketing messages after the sale. Setting up an affiliate program is cheap. Setting up an affiliate program for an existing network has limited setup costs, so it can be done quite cheaply, and as I mentioned previously, pay is mainly on performance. Affiliate marketing boosts brand awareness. Consumers like to buy from retailers with whom they are familiar. Affiliate marketing enables companies to grow brand awareness by appearing on multiple contextually relevant sites across the web. For example, a clothing manufacturer could appear on numerous fashion-focused blogs by launching an affiliate scheme and recruiting the right publishers. Finally, you can expand internationally. The larger affiliate platforms will have an international presence and enable your brand to reach publishers worldwide. So how does affiliate marketing work? It is a 4-step process. The first, a potential customer lands on a publisher's site. So this, for example, could be a blogger writing reviews of products. The customer clicks on the affiliate link and is taken to the landing page detailing the advertiser's products. So therefore, they're on the review, they click on the link, and they go to the advertiser's site, which could be an e-commerce site. The customer buys a product, and the tracking software records the purchase data and reports this to the network. So this is the affiliate network managing the tracking across different sites. Finally, the publisher earns a set percentage of the transaction value as a commission. So how does the tracking work? The affiliate link that the customer clicks on contains a unique code that identifies the publisher. The affiliate network identifies the transaction using this code and pays out depending on the program's terms, for example, 5% of sales. So here's an example of a link. So the customer would be on the website and they click on the link. This is an example from a service called Awin. And here we've got the advertiser ID, that's the first bit. And then you've got the publisher ID, that's the second bit. What would happen with the customer would click on this link on the publisher's website and they'd be redirected to the advertiser's website. That's the link at the end here. And because of the information contained in this URL, these two attributes, the purchase would be tracked and would appear in the merchant's account. Generally, the commission goes to the last publisher site visited before the consumer made a purchase. So it could be on the sales process, the customer has gone to various sites, clicked on lots of different sites across the web. The commission will go to the last site that they clicked on. So how do advertisers set up an affiliate scheme, recruit publishers, and manage the process of actually paying these publishers? Now, there are tools out there to enable you to form direct relationship with publishers, but most companies don't do this because it's very difficult to do. Most companies would go through something known as an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are services that mediate between the publisher and the advertiser. Advertisers publish their affiliate programs on the affiliate network, and publishers can search the network to find programs they wish to promote. And the affiliate network manages the relationship between publisher and advertiser, including the tracking and the payments. Two examples of this are AWin and Commission Junction. To use the service of a network, advertisers and publishers must first create an account with the network. Once accepted, advertisers can add their programs to the network. Publishers then apply to become part of that program. So what are the benefits of using an affiliate network? Firstly, it's a managed affiliate solution. Managing your own affiliate programs is complex. Affiliate networks streamline the process by providing technology, tracking, payments, and reporting. This makes it easy to track, monitor, and tweak your program. Affiliate networks can also provide expertise. Working with an established network means publishers are more likely to trust you and your brand. In addition, having systems in place for tracking and payment offers publishers peace of mind that they will get paid. Affiliate networks also perform a valuable service of vetting publishers. Publishers must join an affiliate network and then request approval for each advertiser program. Not all publishers are accepted, and your products are only promoted by publishers the network have decided are good partners for the advertisers on the platform. So, for example, if you do not want your ads to appear against tobacco products or any other questionable products, you can manage that via an affiliate network. Finally, sales tracking and reporting. Affiliate networks will provide you with a comprehensive dashboard to track impressions, click conversions, sales, and revenue. You can monitor which publishers and campaigns generate the most sales, allowing you to optimize your affiliate marketing. So what are the kind of publishers which can be used to promote your products via an affiliate network? The first is bloggers and content sites. Bloggers and content sites, for example review sites and online newspapers, build up an audience by writing engaging and informative content. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways they monetize their content and audience. They may promote affiliate products directly within their content or alongside it. An example of a review cut is Wirecutter. This is a site which is run by the New York Times and has lots of product reviews on it. If we just take a look at a page, 13 best engagement gifts. If we go down here and we just click on exceptional ring holder, we can see that that's a product, and this link here is an affiliate link. We can see, I don't know if you can see at the bottom here, it's got merchant equals Perigold just down here. And that means we click on this link, make a purchase, that site will get a commission from that retailer. Secondly, offers, cashback and coupon sites. Consumers love discounts, and merchants can use this to their advantage by distributing their deals on offer sites. These websites then drive traffic to the offer on the advertiser's site. So examples include voucher and coupon sites, for example Voucher Codes and Voucher Cloud, or cashback sites, for example Quidco and Top Cashback. An example is Top Cashback. This is a cashback site based in the UK. What cashback sites do is they join affiliate schemes, and then if you make a purchase through the cashback site, they will pay the affiliate commission directly to you. So you'll get a discount on your purchase. For example, if we go to eBay, if we click on this link to eBay, get 1% cashback, it's taken us to the eBay site. If we now make a purchase from this site, then 1% of that sale will appear in our cashback account. And if we go back to the site, I use this site quite a lot. Let's go to my earnings review. You can see that over the years I've got about £2,500, and we can see all the sites that I've been to and how much I got. So for example, on the 4th of September, made a purchase for £9.96 and got 10 pence back, which is approximately 1%. Shopping comparison sites were popular with the noughties, but almost disappeared when Google moved into this space. The ones that remain make some or all of their revenue through affiliate schemes, for example Price Searcher and Price Spy. An example of a shopping comparison site is Price Spy. If we do a search on Price Spy for say iPhone, it'll show us a list of products, and if we click through to those, it'll take us through to a site, and Price Spy will get a commission from the merchant. Email marketing is also a popular place for publishers to make money via affiliate marketing. Some publishing businesses have built up large email marketing lists which they contact regularly. Emails will be a mixture of helpful content and promotions. Emailers work hard to build trust and authority with the subscribers, so purchase rates tend to be high when they recommend a product. An example of an organisation that has built up an extensive targeted list is Bounty. Bounty provides new parents with a hospital gift pack with samples from various brands. Alongside the pack, parents can sign up for Bounty's newsletter, which has tens and thousands of subscribers. Finally, social media influencers. Influencers are users on social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, many of whom have built up a substantial following. Whilst high-profile influencers can demand hefty upfront fees for promoting products, others can earn additional income for affiliate commission. If we go to Ali Abdal's YouTube channel and let's do a search for camera, we can see where it blogged about the cameras used. If we click on this video,
hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
And then we look at the description, there's a whole lot of links here, and a lot of these are affiliate links. So anything which is an Amazon link will be an affiliate link. And he's also got links here to other products that he sells. And those will be affiliate links, and he will get commission from those. So what are the costs of selling through an affiliate network? Advertisers set the commission rates, which may vary widely depending on the product or sector. For example, electrical retailers will be as low as 1 or 2%, while retailers selling virtual products may be 50% or more. Advertisers can create multiple programs that offer different commissions based on performance or other factors. For example, if you have a program which offers a 10% commission and your affiliate network charges a 30% override, if a $100 sale is made, the commission will be $10 and the override is $3, and so the total you will pay is $13. So how do you start an affiliate program? A good place to start is by analysing the competition. Look at your competitors and see what they're doing in terms of the commission they're paying, the promotions they're running, and what other affiliates they're working with. For example, if we return to top cashback, if, for example, we're an electrical retailer, if we go to categories electrical, and let's say we're into PCs, we can see down here the kind of deals that people are offering. So, for example, Currys are offering 16.5% cashback on certain products, and also Samsung are offering 15% cashback. Let's just dig in and see what they do a little bit more. You can see here they've got a different commission structure based on the products that people buy. So if you were to buy a QLED TV, they give 15%. But if we go a bit down here, if you buy an accessory, then you only get 3%. So you can vary the amount of commission you pay based on how much you want to promote something and what your margin is. Secondly, you need to decide the goal for your scheme. Setting clear goals for a program will help you identify the affiliates you wish to recruit. An affiliate marketing program should consist of a balanced mix of affiliate partners. Think about whether it's a long-term or a short-term goal you've got. If your campaign's goal is short-term, for example, launching a new product or promoting a sale, it might be best to create a high incentive campaign that will attract many affiliates and drive traffic fast. On the other hand, if your goal is longer term, such as launching into a fresh territory or expanding your customer base, you'll need to partner with sites to which shoppers continually return. Who's your target customer? Think about where your target customer shops. For example, what sites they read, which emails they subscribe to, and then select the affiliates that specialize in your business area to attract these customers. Finally, what is your goal? What is the purpose of your program? Are you trying to boost revenue? Do you want newsletter subscribers, for example? And think about how much you're willing to spend to acquire a customer. So common goals, for example, could be to increase sales volume by 5% or to increase the average sales order by £20. Next, you need to join an affiliate network. Many different affiliate networks are available, and the same publisher sites may well be on several affiliate networks. Consider the following in selecting a network. Their fees and arrangements. Some networks will want to charge a monthly fee, while others will be free. Also, I'm always wary of entering into long-term contracts. A 30-day notice period is usually plenty. You want to join a network that has lots of relevant publishers. Publishers with an established affiliate business are likely to work with specific affiliate networks and may be reluctant to join the network that you want to work with. So check the publishers on the network before you join. You also want to avoid networks that have lots of publishers you don't want to work with. So, for example, one that has lots of tobacco companies or gambling companies if you don't want to appear on those kinds of sites. Look at the kind of reporting available. Is it got the quality you need? Can you drill down to see where your sales are? And finally, support. What kind of support do they give? How quickly will they get back to you if you've got any queries? An example of affiliate network is Awin. If we click on this Explore Awin's plans, we can see the cost. So down here, they've got a different level. So the entry level is Awin Access. So they charge £90 plus VAT per month and a 3.5% tracking fee. So the 3.5% tracking fee is 3.5% above the fee that you pay to the affiliate. As your affiliate scheme becomes more successful, you may wish to go for a more advanced package, which will have more support and also more features. If I just log into this scheme, we can get an idea of the kind of facilities it provides. Now, if we go to publishers, we can see a list of the publishers they have. So we can do partner discovery. We can do a search for partners. Say we're in baby products, and so we do a search for baby we can see a list of their affiliates in that area, and we can then approach those people and ask them if they want to join our affiliate scheme. It's very important to understand the performance of your affiliate scheme. So with when you have a dashboard which shows you number of clicks, number of transactions, and the sale value just from the main screen. And if you want to find out more, you can go into the Reports tab, and it has a list of reports. So for example, we have got a publisher report that shows us the traffic and the revenue from each publisher. When we've got a transaction report that shows the transactions in a particular timescale and the amount of commission that was paid. Now, the heart of any affiliate scheme is the commission that you offer to your affiliates. So that within AWIN, that's set under Toolbox and then My Offers. And down here, you will set up your offers. So this company here, for example, is offering 10% off all daily living aids. And then they've also got 15% of all blue badge holders. And so they can create a number of different programs for the different customer groups that they have. So how do you grow the amount of sales you get from your affiliate scheme? Firstly, you need to communicate frequently with your publishers. You need to send them frequent offers to keep yourself in front of mind. Within AWIN, this is done under Toolbox and then Communication Center. And from here, you can create a message which will be automatically sent out to your selected affiliates. So for example, if you're launching new products or you've got a new offer or you've got a big change to your business, you can send them out a communication, and that'll give them new content that they can publish on their site and hopefully attract more people to buy your products. Next, recruit more affiliates. Check your affiliate network regularly to see if any new affiliates have joined, and then you can invite them to your program. Another thing you should spend time on is your collaterals. By this, I mean the banners and the links and things that you give to your affiliates to enable them to link to your site. Here's an example of a VPN company, and these are within their affiliate schemes, they would create these adverts of different sizes that websites can put on their sites where people can click and go through to the website. If we return to AWIN, under Toolbox and then My Creative, you can see the collaterals that have been uploaded. If a customer makes a purchase and then cancels that order or they send it back, you need to cancel that order in your affiliate network to make sure that you don't cover a commission on an order that was sent back. This can actually add up to quite a lot of money over a long period of time. Finally, you need to review the affiliate methods that you have allowed on your account. Affiliates will drive traffic via a number of ways. One could be links on their website, another could be apps, and another could be pay-per-click. So if you're running your own pay-per-click campaigns, you probably don't want to have affiliates running pay-per-click campaigns as well, because effectively you'll be competing against yourself. Finally, you need to monitor your performance. There's a number of things you need to look at. You should look at the traffic you get from your affiliates, the revenue you get from those affiliates, and also from within your affiliate network, look at your percentage of active affiliates. So the number of affiliates that have driven traffic to you in the last month. We can see traffic and revenue from within Google Analytics. From within Google Analytics, if we go to acquisition and then user acquisition, we'll be able to see the traffic from the different channels. So down here, we've got affiliates. We can see the number of purchases and also the revenue from the affiliate channel.